Hi everyone and welcome to the Euphoria YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna give you a tutorial for how you can create your own wooden boxes. Really budget friendly. But before we get started, remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel because it really helps my small channel out a lot. Hope you're ready for this. Let's get started. What you can see right here is the entrance to my house. I think we definitely can improve this area a little bit, so today I'm gonna create these wooden storage boxes for this area. As a framework, I'm going to use these cardboard boxes that I have in my home. These are just simple cardboard boxes that I got when I was buying candles. And it turns out they fit this area perfectly. This time of year in Sweden, we use a lot of candles in my home due to the lack of light. So I have 5 of these cardboard boxes and therefore I will be making 5 wooden storage boxes. Today's project is a real recycling project. I am using this linen fabric that I have at home from when I was sewing curtains. This is going to cover the inside of the box. Now I'm ripping the fabric into suitable pieces. By ripping the fabric, you always get a straight line, so I strongly recommend it instead of cutting with a scissor. Here I'm just measuring the fabric to see if it's a good length. And then cutting off the excess fabric. I'm making this project really easy, so I'm only using a glue gun to attach the fabric. Just put on some glue, stretch and attach the fabric and keep going around the box until the end. Make sure the fabric overlaps each other a little bit at the end. And here's my little fur friend, always visiting my projects. She's always curious about what I'm doing in my studio. Now the box looks like this and I'm folding the fabric on the outside so I'm gonna be able to glue the inside and attach it piece by piece. I'm stretching the fabric in one corner and then the other one and just smoothing it out. It gets a little bit more difficult after doing the first side because the fabric is covering all the other sides. But just get your glue gun in there so you attach every single piece of it. let's attach the last of the fabric to the bottom. It doesn't matter if the fabric gets creased because this part is not going to show and we're going to cover it up. So just attach it to your best ability. Time to create the base plate for the box. I'm using regular cardboard that I cut into a piece that fits the box. I thought it was easiest to use a snap blade off knife. Just make sure to use another piece of cardboard underneath to protect the table. Now bring out a small piece of fabric. I'm attaching this with a glue gun as well. Stretch the fabric and then secure it on the back side. Make sure to glue and fold the edges of the fabric so that it doesn't unravel. Now simply put it in the storage box and the bottom looks so much better. Just adding some final touches before we proceed with the next step. Let's bring out the wooden sticks. I found these wooden sticks at a Swedish store called Biltema. They are meant for crafts and smaller projects, and I love using these. It's so easy and simple. Hope you find something similar where you're at. And I'm just simply attaching these with a glue gun as well. And once you finished this side, you can simply saw them off at the ends. This was the best saw that I could find in my home for this project, but you can use whatever you have at home. Remember to sand them down a little bit once you're finished with the sawing. Now we're finished with this side, so let's proceed with the next one. I'm sawing this side off camera. Now you can just proceed with the rest of it. And remember to sand everything down once you're finished with the sawing. And this is what it looks like after I finished all 4 sides. Now I'm gonna show you another type of design. I'm starting off by measuring where the middle of the box is. With these wooden sticks, it's quite easy to create a herringbone pattern, so that is what we're making on this box. Place the first 2 sticks in an angle that you like. Make markings on the back, and then saw them off at the markings, and use a glue gun to attach them. And just keep going until the whole side of the box is filled. This design turned out like this. Now it's time for the reveal of all of the boxes. Thank you for watching this video with Euphoria. If you think this video was inspirational, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This will help me to be able to create more inspiring videos for you guys. Also make sure to check out my other videos for more DIYs, crafts and inspiration.